June last year, I had taken the CLs.
A 44 percentile to a 99.38 core आ जाता है, calls आ जाते हैं, convert सबका नहीं होता.
Something that you get, but interview is something that will make or break my final converts.
Hi everybody. As another year of CAT comes to an end, we are back with the most interesting and fun part of the year, which is celebrating our achievers and sharing with you little tidbits of their preparation journey and a few pointers that you should keep in mind. Joining me today is Arshita, one such achiever, numerous calls and something very exciting about a very specific call that she has, which we will divulge towards the latter half of this conversation. So I will want to kickstart this conversation with Arshita coming on board and introducing herself, telling us a little bit about herself and the course that she actually enrolled in with Career Launcher. Arshita, over to you.
Hi, I'm Arshita Jain. I completed my bachelor's from Sri Ram College of Commerce, and post that I joined ZS Associates. So I have 2 years of experience in consulting. And last year I decided that I wanted to go for MBA. So I joined Career Launcher's Express online program. And
Perfect. Interesting. So a consultant, is that basically what you are aiming for as well, getting into consultancy eventually?
Yes.
So now, if we divulge the top calls that you have, so obviously you got an IIM Calcutta convert, you also got an ISB convert. Now considering you've told me that you're looking at consulting, my guess is irrespective of the situation, ISB was the top call that you were looking at?
Yes, ISB was a top call for me. I had always dreamed about getting into ISB considering it's a consulting school, and I'm very grateful to have it.
So perfect. So let's talk, let's just spend a little bit of time on your preparation for CAT. When exactly did you kickstart your preparation? What was your journey? If I'm not wrong, there are about 6 to 7 months that you actually put in for your CAT prep. What are certain, benchmarks that you kept in mind? Were there ups and downs? Were there certain mocks where you did not score too well? Did they demotivate you? Or were you like, no, let's take it in my stride and let's see how to handle that? So you can just share a little bit about your preparation journey.
Right. So I started in June last year. I had taken the CLs course, and initially I started, watching all the videos, building my foundation, and something that, what really helped me is appearing for mocks consistently. Initially, I remember I did not get very good score. My accuracy used to be very low.
So if I stop you there, what's your lowest percentile in a mock?
I have got, I think once I got a 44 percentile.
Okay, I hope everybody heard that. A 44 percentile to a 99.38.
Yeah.
Am I correct? So all of you all writing mocks at this point in time saying, मेरा 30 आ रहा है, 40 आ रहा है, 50 आ रहा है, जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं होगा. IIM Calcutta, ISB. So yeah, I hope this motivates you. Over back to you, Arshita. Sorry for stopping you there, but I think that was very important for students to hear.
Yes. Yeah. So I used to give mocks, and I had created an Excel sheet where I used to record my scores and look at how I was doing better or not doing better, and then analyzing, looking at my lead sections, practicing it again. So I think that's something that really helped me.
Perfect, spectacular. So let's look at, say, the last few days before CAT. When was the last mock that you wrote before CAT? How many days before that?
I think 4 or 5 days before.
And in the last 2-3 mocks, what is your percentile?
So I used to give CAT's previous mock actual papers in that. I think Career Launcher have it set their portal. So I used to get more like around 99 plus.
Good. So from a 44 to a 99 and eventually getting a 99.38 as well. So now let's get to the second part. यार score आ जाता है, calls आ जाते हैं, convert सबका नहीं होता. So if you can talk a little bit about your journey, which helped you convert the calls that you had. How did you go about it? What was the program you were in? What were the benefits that you gained from those programs and your experience of PDP?
Okay, so since I'm personally a very underconfident person, so I knew that I needed extra
You don't
help.
seem like an underconfident person. I asked you the moment we started, behind the scenes, I was asking her, are you nervous? You're like, No, एकदम chill है, बताओ और क्या है? So underconfident झूठ है, ठीक है? But yeah, back to you.
I started with my interview prep right after I got the CAT score. And I knew, this is something that makes a difference. CAT score is something that you get, but interview is something that will make or break my final converts. So I took PDP from Career Launcher itself, and hopefully I was able to convert.
Yeah, matlab you were, so there's no hope there. But yeah, just to understand, what are some 2 or 3 elements with specific to your PDP that you would like to point out, which you feel helped you? Because if I take your word for it that you were underconfident, while I don't believe it, how did you build that confidence? Because eventually in an interview, confidence matters. It's not just the right answers that you give, but also the kind of environment you've been able to create in the room, the rapport you've been able to create with the interviewer. So how are you able to go ahead and build that?
Okay, so the interviews that Career Launcher provided me had very different mentors. So the variety of questions that they asked, plus there were like different types of interviews. So some interviews were chill, some interviews were stress based. So I think it covered the variety. Asking academic questions, asking some general HR questions. So I think I was able to prepare for like all the situations that the
Fabulous.
interview could have asked.
Sounds
me.
great. So one last question. One recommendation you would give to students basis your learning that they should not do this, and similarly one thing that they should guaranteed do.
Okay, so one thing I think you should not do is just uh, don't don't wait for the end to give a mock. You should start immediately from the start itself. Know where you stand so that you can build that your percentile. You can build your confidence as well, because on the exam day you need that sort of confidence. You need to handle that stress that the exam day has.
Very
So
valid
giving
point.
mocks is something that you should start right from the beginning. And secondly, I think something that helped me personally is being consistent. So even when I had a lot of office work, there were late hours when I was working, I used to make sure that I'm giving at least, let's say, half an hour or 1 hour, even not just on the day but during the weekend as well, so that there is consistency. You are in touch with the syllabus, and that really makes a difference.
So I think golden words, 2 things that we as faculty harp on consistently, and that was her point. Be consistent. We try to be consistent, harping on this, and sometimes we realize the students are consistent, not taking our points, not accepting them, and not writing the mocks. But like she pointed out, categorically, do not wait for a so-called syllabus to get over to kickstart your mocks. Start writing them upfront and utilize them as a tool, like Ashita did. And obviously, like we pointed out, consistency is the key. Which means even if you've got bad days and long days, come back, spend that 1 hour, that half an hour, that 45 minutes. Consistency rahegi, you will automatically feel better. Akshita, it was great interacting with you,
Thank you.
and all the very best from the Career Launcher team. It's a spectacular result. And to those of you, I had pointed out that we'll share something towards the end. Ashita has 100% scholarship from ISB, which actually has led her to choose ISB over Calcutta. Otherwise, I would have convinced her to choose Calcutta. But yeah, on that note, I think congratulations, Ashita, and we at Career Launcher are extremely proud of you.
Thank you so much. I'm really grateful for Career Launcher to have been converted these calls and get 100% scholarship at IHL.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.